What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over CPA marketing. So when we're talking about CPA marketing, that refers to cost per action. Now, one important thing to distinguish is CPA can also refer to cost per acquisition. If you use Google Ads, you know that one of their bidding strategies is target CPA, which stands for cost per acquisition. CPA marketing refers to cost per action. It's a type of affiliate marketing. Cost per acquisition is going to be more for PPC advertising, and it's how much you pay for every lead and sale. So in this case, we're going to be going over CPA marketing, which is a type of affiliate marketing. And CPA marketing defined. So affiliates are paid a set amount every time customers take a specific action. It could be starting a free trial. It could be actually signing up and becoming a customer. It could be just simply filling out a form. Affiliates are tasked with referring new customers to other businesses to take these specific actions. So we'll look at a few examples. Example number one, let's just say I create a website. I'm writing about different types of web hosting companies. So I'm testing all of them. I'm writing reviews. And let's just say I drive 100 new signups to Bluehost. They send me $6,500 as a commission for the 100 signups I've driven. So what is the CPA rate in that case? In that case, the CPA rate is $65. Now, if you sign up for Bluehost's affiliate program, you can see you actually earn $65 for each qualified sign up. So that's actually what they send affiliates for every time they refer visitors to Bluehost and they sign up. So it's for each qualified sign up. Now, if we come back over here, we're going to look at another example. And let's just say for this one, let's say I'm promoting a life insurance company and they offer the following rates. For every click I send, I earn $0. For every application request, they send me $2. For every new sign up, they send me $100. And for every year that someone renews their policy, I get $50. So what that means is if I send 1,000 clicks, I'm not going to make anything. If I drive 100 application requests, then I'm going to make $200. Let's just say I have 10 new signups. That's going to be $1,000. And then let's say all of my signups become yearly renewals. That would be an additional $500, just the renewals that I'm getting. So you're going to see different rates when it comes to CPA marketing, but the main thing to keep in mind is everything is fixed. So even if we go back to our Bluehost example here, I can earn $65 for each qualified sign up. Now that doesn't matter how much money anybody spends. They could spend $10,000 with Bluehost, I earn $65. They could spend $50 with Bluehost and I earn $65. So what you're earning is based on a fixed rate. That's the main difference between CPA marketing and your standard affiliate marketing through a service like Amazon Associates. So in the case of Amazon Associates, this is more just basic standard affiliate marketing where you sign up, you're recommending products, and then you earn 10% in all the commissions you drive. With CPA marketing, you're earning a fixed amount for every single action that you drive. So the basics for how it works is you want to look for an offer to promote, and it helps when you already have an existing audience or an existing website. You want to create a website if you don't have one already, and you want to make sure you're creating content. Again, it could be content on YouTube, on social media, anywhere you're able to drive people so they can see your offer and take advantage of your offer. And then you earn money when people visit your website or see your content and go through with the different types of offers that you're promoting. So if I'm promoting something based on web hosting, every time a customer visits my website, clicks on the offer, goes to Bluehost or any other web hosting provider and signs up, then I get a commission. So that's how CPA marketing works. So to show a good example here, one of the largest CPA websites is nerdwallet.com. So if you go here and let's just say I'm looking for the best credit card. So I come here, it's going to say best credit cards of October 2020. We scroll down, I click here and I apply now for the Citi Double Cash card. They're probably going to make a certain amount of money. So NerdWallet makes a ton of money by having different types of credit cards and all sorts of different financial products that people can take advantage of. And every time someone signs up for one of these different cards, they're going to get a fixed amount in terms of a commission. And it might even be something where with an application, they earn something like $2. And then when they actually get their card and make their first purchase, they might earn $100. So there's different ways that affiliates can make money with CPA marketing, but ultimately this is a good example of it is nerdwallet.com. Now to look at a top network, so maxbounty.com. So right here you can see some of the different CPA offers they have. So for example, this is the DoorDash driver acquisition program. So let's just say I write a website about different ways to earn an income and earn a passive income and earn a side income, different things like that. And one of my things is doing DoorDash. So let's say I send people to be a DoorDash driver. I get $50 per lead. So essentially what I would do is I would write about DoorDash, how much people can earn, and then I would send them to this page right here. the DoorDash Dasher sign up page. Your time, your goals, you're the boss. So people go through this, they sign up. Once they complete their sign up and they become a Dasher, then I'm going to earn $50. So that's how CPA marketing works. Some of the top networks that you can try if you're interested in CPA marketing, or if you just want to look at some offers for your own website: maxbounty.com, peerfly.com, cj.com, which is Commission Junction, adgatemedia.com, cpalead.com. Now there's other CPA marketing networks. ClickBank is popular. So there's different ones you can sign up for and see if any of the products are going to be relevant for your audience or for the types of content that you're creating. So if you have any questions about CPA marketing, please leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.